So let's take a look at this problem. You you need to find a polynomial that has the following zeros. This question has many different answers. So for me, I like this tutorial step. So the first hint was this. So if f is a polynomial function, a is a real number, and xa is a zero, then x minus a must be a factor of this polynomial function. Okay, so with that, when you know zero is this zero is a zero, that means x minus 0 must be a factor, which means x is a factor. Okay, x is a factor. Okay, it probably doesn't make sense to write x minus 0, but with that, I know x is a factor, and then also I know x minus. Okay, be careful. This is sometimes what students make mistake. Make sure that minus the negative 2. Okay, so x minus the, because this is negative 2, x minus negative 2 is also a 0. So this is one possible answer, which is equal to x times x plus 2. Usually this is the answer students will provide for this particular problem. Then why do I say that there are infinitely many other solutions? For instance, I can certainly say, hey, 2 times x times x plus 2 certainly also has the zeros as 0 and negative 2. They have the same, share the same zeros. Or you can say, hey, 2 times x plus 2 square. Again, you still have the same 0. This time 0 and this one is negative 2. Of course, this time for the negative 2, the multiplicity will be 2, but certainly they share the same given zeros. So, of course, if I change this to say power 7, that's still, you still have the same zeros, 0 and negative 2. Okay, so that's why we say there are infinitely many solutions. By the way, also like this is, if you say negative 5 times x plus 2, this is certainly another possible solution. So that's my explanation for this particular one. If you look at the next one, okay, so this is really similar idea. If you have these 3 zeros, and you should have this factor x times x plus 7 and yx plus 7, because it's x minus the negative 7. That gives you x plus 7 and then x plus 9, right? And then any constant multiple of this guy, whenever you multiply any number, say negative 3, that will be still a possible answer. If you say multiply by 9, this is another possible answer. So this is it